Stocks on the deep. We have FEAM, OP, and SPHL. So with FEAM, stock is down 20.57%. This is Friday, the 22nd of August. Intraday low in this pre-market session is $3.5. Yesterday again, 8.29%. Yeah. But before then, the stock has been on a downtrend. It was just an attempt to bounce that has resulted in further decline. Even brought it to the lows. It's last traded at as of 2 weeks ago. Yeah. So extrapolation is saying that it's going to continue to decline, going all the way towards Wednesday, the 3rd of September. No guarantee that that will be the case. We have projections saying from the lows of 2.08, 2.56, 3.33, all the way towards 4.91, 5.23. These are the projections that are currently in play. The stock may have even higher projections. Let's have a look here and see. Okay, 5.39 here as well. We have it, so the 5.23 is what we have. So I think we can live with that for now. So the price pressure momentum of the 10 and 21 period, 10 and 21 period moving averages are severely bearish. The underlying trend, or rather, the stock was already on a downtrend. So regardless of the bounce they had yesterday, the bounce of 8.29%, it wouldn't. It's not enough to prevent them from printing the sort of prices, sort of figures we have now. It was already in a bad state. So even 8 point a gain of 8.29% yesterday wouldn't change what's going on right now. So let's see now. Yesterday, when it was up yesterday, you can see this one was negative yesterday. Let me show you again. When it bounced yesterday, let me show you down here. You look over here, you see this would was negative then. This was positive, but this was negative. Let me show you. So you can see the one above is a 10-day moving 10 period moving average. It was in a strong trend mode, but that momentum didn't feed through to the 21 period moving average. It wasn't enough. And then with this decline of today, around 20%, everything has now decayed further. But the good thing is that at least we have some positive, robustly positive second derivatives, indicating that maybe we may have a reprieve in the meantime and maybe a bounce. So that is what's the algo. That's what the algos are projecting all the way towards the pre-market session of tomorrow. So indicating that maybe a bounce might occur in this today's session. Have you've had a brief bounce? Yes, we've had that already. So let's look at OP. OP is down 8.44%. Not much of a deep as such. I was trying to see if I can magnify this. Down 8.44%. Intraday low was yesterday. We had 0.0620. Okay, let's see. Okay, here it's saying that a bounce will occur, but it's I think weak lower prices will continue to print first of all up till midday. I think midday of today, and then by the post market session, it may have by the end of today's trading session, a bounce would have occurred. That's according to this extrapolation. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. Yeah, let's see. And if everything turns out, then we'll be looking at 0. 0.8279 by the Tuesday, the 2nd of September. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections, what do we have? We have 0.0976. Nothing that not fantastic as such. But if you go all the way back to the 4th of August, we have 1.15, 1.55, 1.80. Okay, that's encouraging, but also it's in the midst of some really low down projections, some really low down projections. Okay, so there was also zero point 0.3 as of Wednesday the 6th. There was also much closer upper projection 0.2545, 0.3089, 0.3424. Yeah. Okay, let's see now. Selling pressure highly magnified. Yes, everything is severely bearish currently. Nothing positive. I'm wondering where this bounce is expected to come from. So by midday, that's when it's supposed to pivot. That's when the bottom is expected to print. Then by the close of today's trading session, it would have picked up. Extrapolation, no guarantee that that will be the case. Let's see. It's a very cheap stock. Let's see whether how active it is. You can see, very interesting to watch. Very high volumes going through. These guys are buying, so they're buying at 0. That's the current price you can see there. But these guys want to sell at a higher price. So based on this, I don't want to conclude that this are not short sellers. I don't want to conclude that they are not. They could be short sellers. They could be, this person or this person may be saying when I get to 0.07340, I don't think I don't think it should go beyond that. I think it's a good time to short. That's what they may be doing. It could also be that they are taking profits, but clearly these guys they're buying. Who knows? They could also be trying to close their short positions. Who knows? Yeah, it's interesting to see because it's a cheap stock and it's usually they're usually very much liquid, if you like. Yeah, but those orders have gone through now, or because the price has changed, maybe. Yeah, maybe because the price has changed. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. So this is it could this may well be they just want to sell. They want to sell at 0.075. It's fascinating to see. Yeah, but this is what some market manipulators may be doing. They watch and see what's going on. If they see a huge lot here, then they know they can make a decision. People are trying to buy. What does that tell me? Um, if they're buying, maybe I should also try to be selling, or do I have to join them? If they buy, then I have to. So you can see here they're trying to sell. They're trying to sell. So they're watching. If it's if for instance, if they see, I mean, they can. This all these things can govern their decisions. A huge order is here now. Does that mean I'm going to short the stock as well, or does that mean I'm going to whatever? I'm not okay. I should. I have to withdraw the word manipulators. Just traders. No, I don't want that. I'm not. They don't have to be manipulators at all. They don't have to be manipulators to to trade the stocks, to trade the markets with this data. This data is available to everybody. So yeah. So I withdraw that word manipulators. So the loss is now 10.3% on Ocean Power. The next is SPHL, down 9.06%. Okay, here we have lower prices expected to remain in place up till midday of Monday. After that, there might be an attempt to bounce, but it may be rejected. So the lower prices will may prevail up till Friday, the 29th of August. In terms of projections, we have downward projections, nothing to the upside. Okay, let's see what the current price is. The current price is 0.42. Yeah, so this is so these are upper projections then 0.4266, 0.4478, 0.4609. Selling pressure is amplified, everything is to the downside. Yeah, everything is severely bearish, nothing positive at all. Let's see what's going on with yeah, doesn't seem to be that active enough. Not as fascinating as Ocean Pal OP. Okay, just have a look and see what you make of these stocks, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.